guardians of the forest, pangolin's role and mystique. Unraveling the secrets of nature's armored enigma.
By AI for Kids. Welcome to an enlightening journey through the life of the pangolin, a creature of mystery, resilience, and ecological significance. As you delve into these pages, you will discover the pivotal roles pangolins play in maintaining ecological balance, their unique adaptations, and the challenges they face. This book invites you to not only marvel at these gentle creatures but also to join the global effort in safeguarding their future. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Meet the pangolin, nature's unique wonder.
In the dense tropical forests of Asia and Africa, a fascinating creature rolls along the ground. This is the pangolin, a mammal distinct for its large protective keratin scales. It's like no other animal, clad in natural armor with a demeanor that intrigues and captivates those lucky enough to spot it. As it moves, its scales shimmer under the forest canopy, casting a magical sight. With a body length ranging from 12 to 39 inches, and a long tail that aids balance, the pangolin embodies a perfect blend of utility and charm.
Picture the enchanting scene as the pangolin makes its slow, deliberate journey across the forest floor, scales clinking gently like tiny shields. As a pangolin, I carry an ancient secret on my back, one that serves both defense and mystery.
Pangolin's diet, a master of insect control.
Deep within the heart of its ecosystem, the pangolin performs an essential service by devouring insects in vast numbers. With a long, sticky tongue that can extend far beyond its mouth, the pangolin skillfully traps ants and termites, sometimes consuming up to 70 million insects annually. This extraordinary diet not only satisfies its nutritive needs but also renders it a guardian of balance within its habitat, maintaining the equilibrium of insect populations.
The pangolin, an unassuming yet pivotal player in its ecosystem, fulfills its role with quiet persistence, ensuring that the health of the forest system remains intact. Feasting on these tiny creatures is my contribution to the grand balance of the wild.
A night in the life of a solitary pangolin.
As dusk falls, the nocturnal pangolin awakens, embarking on its solitary voyage beneath the silver glow of the moon. Known for its reclusive nature, it navigates murky terrains, guided by senses honed to perfection over millennia. Each rustle, each whisper of the night wind is met with acute vigilance. It moves with grace, a lone wanderer in a world where silence is golden. This solitary lifestyle is not merely by choice but a reflection of its unique adaptation to a largely nocturnal ecosystem.
Under the blanket of night, the pangolin essays its realm, a symphony of shadows and moonlight like a gentle, nocturnal symphony. The night is my sanctuary here, I find solace and purpose under the stars.
Defensive mastery, the art of curling into a ball.
Threatened by a predator, the pangolin reveals its defense mechanism, curling into an impenetrable sphere. This posture, where scales interlock to form an armored shell, baffling even the most persistent enemies. While other creatures flee or fight, the pangolin masters patience and resilience. Its survival not through aggression, but through understanding its strength and trusting the evolution of its defenses.
Witness the transformation as the pangolin curls up, a testament to nature's brilliance in creating such effective passive defense. In stillness and safety, I find my courage, a scale-encased fortress.
Breeding season, the circle of life in burrows.
Each year as the seasons shift, the pangolin engages in a delicate dance of life. After courtship, the female gives birth usually to one offspring. For about 120 to 150 days, she nurtures the tiny, scaleless creature until it's ready to face the world. Burrows become havens, where the miracle of life unfolds, setting the stage for a new generation, safeguarding continuity in a rhythm as old as time itself.
In the quietude of earthen burrows, life begins again, securing the lineage of one of nature's most distinctive denizens. In the circle of life, we find our immortality, one offspring at a time.
Ecosystem engineers, vital roles pangolins play.
Pangolins, the unsung heroes of their ecosystems, silently shape the world they inhabit. By regulating insect populations, they indirectly contribute to the health of the forest flora, which in turn supports diverse wildlife. Their burrowing habits aerate the soil, promoting a dynamic and fertile ecosystem. Often unseen, their quiet work is foundational to the prosperity of countless species and plants.
Invisible architects of their realms, pangolins are the cornerstone upon which life flourishes, their presence a linchpin to extensive ecological stability. In each act, I plant seeds of harmony, a gentle whisper in the symphony of life.
Conservation challenges, fighting for survival.
The pangolin faces a dire predicament, as the most trafficked mammal in the world. Despite its critical role, it is hunted relentlessly for its scales and meat, coveted for illegal trade. Driven to the brink of extinction, the efforts to conserve this elusive creature are urgent and paramount. While international laws strive to protect them, it is awareness and respect that will ultimately seal their survival.
In a race against time, conservationists labor day and night, striving to save an invaluable link in the global ecological web. Hope burns within me, a small flame amid the storm. Will humanity awaken to my plight?
Cultural echoes, pangolins in myth and medicine.
In the tapestry of human history, pangolins have woven themselves into the myths and traditions of diverse cultures. From tales of armor-clad spirits to misguided beliefs in the medicinal properties of their scales, they have always provoked wonder and reverence. Modern awareness challenges outdated views, seeking to preserve these creatures not for their myths but for their rightful place in the natural world.
At the crossroads of legend and reality, the pangolin speaks to us, urging a return to balance and understanding. Though legends paint my form with ancient stories, it is the truth of my existence that I wish upheld.